What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are working on the beast a little bit today. LS3 project still, but I want to show you guys what came in. Check this out. Haha. My boy Carter over there at Shiftworks. I appreciate you, man. Hooked us up with the kit we're gonna need for this 4L80 to work in this bad boy over here. So a lot of you guys, when we do these swaps, we want to keep that stock horseshoe shifter, right? And we want it to function properly. Now with this, we have to remove this guy and put what you like to call this little shift plate on the actual shifter portion itself. So we'll disassemble the stock shifter plate and add this one here. Not to mention, this will give us all 4 gears because it's got 4 gears versus 3. Now, another upgrade we got, we're gonna have a slap shifter with this, guys. An actual slap shifter. We'll be able to run through the gears without stopping or hesitation too. And look, he even sent us, can you guys see it there? The plate in there, the new shift plate for the overdrive. So we can actually swap that out as well. But I appreciate you once again, Carter, man. Big shout out to them. Go check them out, guys. I'll link their website down in the description below. But this is their 4L80, I should say, 4L80, 4L85 kit. And we have all the brackets in here that we're gonna need, not to mention with the new cable that we're gonna need. So I'll show you guys all on the tranny here before we install it. We might as well install the bracketry on the tranny so you guys can have a better visual. We'll throw that on and then we'll pull the shifter out and then do the shifter too. Let's get to work. All right, y'all, we got these brackets up in the transmission here. Now they do give you another one here. You're gonna have this guy here. This one has an angle. If you guys, depending on the shaft, the output shaft here, the shifter shaft, depending on the length, you'll use a different bracket, but we have an extra long one, so we don't need it to come out anymore. And then you'll have this little nut, and it also has like a built-in cutout of that rectangle, so it doesn't actually move around. What's it's in there, because your shifter cable will come through here and then cotter pin into that guy there. And it also comes with that clip, that retaining clip. You'll need this. This is the hardware also for the cable side on the inside of the car. So keep that in mind, but you're also gonna want this between 5 and 6 inches apart, just to kind of a starting point. But you'll adjust all this stuff once you get the cable landed. But let me go grab the shifter and we'll get the shifter out and then put on that slap shifter plate. Damn, whose Impala is this? All right, so we got the shifter. Oh, we got special guests over here. We got K in the building. What up, fo?
What up?
You guys missed just you guys check out the gram, man. We just flipped the beast over here just a second ago. That thing was all comedy. But real quick though, we got the shifter out of the car because you definitely want to get this thing out because that new plate. Remember I told you guys about that slap shifter? This is really what's gonna do it. You need this guy here. Swap the plate over. This is the shifter plate that is basically gonna allow you to slap this into the gears like so. But you guys can see this thing is like riveted on from the factory. So we're gonna end up having to cut this guy off right here and then unbolt this one down here. He's got a bunch of glue on it, but we just pull that bolt out and then pull that rivet out of there and then put the new one in place. Something like that. What are you doing, bro? You're making the sparks into my bang. Appreciate it, my man. Thank you. No problem, brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, you too. Whoop, there it is.
We gonna need the washer and everything?
I think it comes with new hardware. Go ahead and See if we can slap this guy out of here.
We might have to drill that out evenly.
There it is, y'all. That's still a little hot, man. You guys saw it took a little bit of effort to get this thing out, but it is out. It's like a factory rivet. Whoa, hey, what's the torque spec on it? Torque spec.
German torque specs, Guten tight.
All right, now we can do some NASCAR. What y'all think? Let's see. Damn, Gina. Look at the work that boy put in right now. Got it in, y'all. We got that plate in there. So, like I said, it definitely, it's just like a slap shifter. So you go from first, second, and third is here, and then you can just slap it in to the overdrive right there, and so on, and keep going. Lock it in, good to go. And this is the cable that comes with the kit. So this will go fall in just like this, like your one from stock does. And then there's a new clip provided. And then you will come back up in here. Obviously, once you adjust it, this thing's still put together. I don't even have the cut yet, but it'll land just like that. You put that little clip that goes in there, slap it in the car, and just like that, and then call it a day. But we're not gonna put this in right away. We gotta about drop the motor and trans first, guys. We gotta drop the motor and trans, but if you guys wanna see that, you guys are gonna have to wait till the next time, because you guys already know.
What?
God damn it. See, I threw him a basketball, I threw him for the alley-oop. Stay wrenching, that's what it is, stay wrenching, stay wrenching.